What's up mga kawaiti? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Melvin's Tutorial. Now, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay about sa Instagram. So, how to control our comments on Instagram, especially if we have too many followers. Some of them is a bad followers and some of them is a good followers. No, so those bad followers sometimes they post bad comments to our. They give comments. They give bad comments to our post. So to control that. So we have to follow this step, no? So first, of course, pupunta tayo. Let's go to our Instagram. So let's where's our Instagram? This So mapupunta po tayo dito sa ating pong profile, then we have to go to our profile pictures, So this is our profile pictures. Click that one, then click the three line here and at the top corner. Then go to settings. Then go to privacy. Makikita nyo dyan yung privacy. Then click nyo yung privacy. Then go to comments, no? So hidden words, sorry. And go to hidden words. And these offensive words and phrases, protect yourself from comments and messages requests that contains offensive words, phrases. So hide comments. Nakalagay dito, comments that may be offensive will be hidden in the separate section of posts, reels, lives, and IGTV. So advanced comments filtering, i-on natin to guys, no? You have to open this one. So para ma-filter po ni Instagram yung ating po mga comments. Additional comments that may contain offensive words and phrases will be hidden. You can always review and unhide individual comments. Hide message requests. So, ngayon guys, pwede rin natin i-hide yung mga message requests. A message request that's may be offensive will be removed to hidden request folder. We will also filter notification for these messages. So, open natin yan. Custom words and phrases. Ito guys, it's very important. Custom words and phrases. Hide other comments and messages you don't want to see by creating a custom list of words, phrases, and emojis. So, in this guys, in this list, pwede kayo mag-create. You can create words and phrases na you're not allowing to your posts or messages. So, pwede natin i-open to. Click nyo yun. Then, makikita nyo guys dito, view of list, and then you can write here kung ano yung mga you can add multiple words, phrases, and emojis. Your list can be updated anytime. So pwede mo siyang palitan anytime. So ang gagawin natin, i-tap nyo lang po yung add word separated by something. Ayan, i-tap natin yun. For example guys, gusto nyong ilagay dito halimbawa the words na, for example, gusto nyo siyang i-add sa list ninyo, pindutin natin yung add. Then, for example, guys, you're not good. Ayan. For example, ganyan. Alright. Tapos, pindutin natin uli yung add. Then, balik tayo, guys. So, for example, guys, maglagay lang kayo ng mga ng mga words na gusto ninyo. For example, emojis, guys. Try natin ilagay yung bad emojis. Ayan, yung mga hate emojis, lagay natin. Ito, for example, add natin dyan. So, hindi na nila makikita. Makikita nyo dito, lagay dito, lumabas dito yung emojis. Makikita nyo yung bad emojis. So, dagdagan natin ng emojis na ayaw natin. Pindutin natin yung emojis. Ayan. For example, angry. And this one, ayaw natin yung mga yan. For example, so, yun muna, tapos pindutin natin yung add. Then, balik tayo. So, sabi nyo, hide comments. Comments that contains word on your custom list. Ayan, nakalagay dito. Kailangan nyo guys i-switch ito. I-switch nyo yan para ma-hide yung mga emojis, mga bad emojis. Ayan, of course, comments contain word on custom list. Similar spelling. Ayan, similar to spelling. You have to switch it on. Hide message request. Message request that contain words, phrases, and emojis on your custom list will be hidden. I-on din natin to guys, no? So, pati mga messages sa atin po na may mga ganong klaseng emojis and of course, mga ganong phrases and comments, ayun guys, ma-hide po siya. Kailangan guys, naka-on yung mga yan para ma-filter at ma-control yung mga bad comments and emojis po sa atin pong Instagram. Napaka-importante yun guys, kung inaalagaan nyo po yung inyong reputation as social media influencer. So, ayun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Sana nakatulong ako sa inyo. And of course guys, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe. and click that subscribe button and click notification bell all para lagi po kayong updated sa ating po mga new upload videos. Guys, ang next tutorial natin ay kung paano naman po i-hide yung ating active status. So, thank you guys and I love you all. Bye.